church is finished and we're driving home in the disgusting weather. Planning quite... Oh! My husband is a very safe driver. We're planning a fairly relaxed afternoon because the weather is just horrid. It is the Chipping Norton tractor run, which is a really fun event where all of the farmers, local farmers, dress their tractors in Christmas lights and parade them through the streets. But if it's still like this, I probably won't venture out, unfortunately, to come and see them, but we'll see. I'm hoping it might dry up a bit, but we're just gonna head to the shop because we haven't got anything for lunch, grab some lunch, head home and have a relaxed day. I will show you my outfit because I'm wearing a handmade outfit, obviously, I mean, as usual, but I am wearing my Christmas jumper, which some of you guys might remember if you've been watching my channel for a while, that I was on Kirsty's Handmade Christmas back in 2022, and this was my jumper for Kirsty's Handmade Christmas. For anybody not based in the UK, that is a UK-based Christmas crafting television programme, and I was in the Christmas jumper competition, so I am wearing my fabulous jumper, so I'll definitely show you guys my outfit soon. So yeah, I'll see you back at home. Okay, handmade outfit of the day. I'm wearing my jumper that I made for Kirsty's Handmade Christmas that many of you seen before. I'm actually releasing the knitting pattern for this in the new year. I know it's been a while, it's been 2 years since I've been on Kirsty and you've been asking me for it, but I am knitting up a new sample in a different colour that is not quite so Christmassy so that people can see that it can be worn at other times of the year. So I'm working on that at the moment. Then I've got, this is an indigo dress from Tilly and the Buttons, you can see, which I made to wear actually for Kirsty's Handmade Christmas because it goes so well with this jumper. It's just made in a lovely cotton from Dalston Mill. This is a black watch tartan. And then I was wearing some over the knee black boots to go to church, but I've taken them off now. And yeah, that is the outfit, sexy slippers from the charity shop. So that is today's handmade outfit. Terrible lighting. We are off to go and watch the Chipping Norton tractor run. It's absolutely disgusting weather. It's cold, it's wet, but the wind has died down, so we've wrapped ourselves up. I've got my big cozy coat to wear, and I've got my lovely little bobble hat, which you can't see because it's so dark. I knitted this, it's alpaca and wool, so it's lovely and cozy. So yeah, we're off to Chipping Norton, and I will show you guys, oh that's just the car. I will show you guys the tractor run. It's going to be super fun. Hello. As you can see, I am back from the Chippy tractor run because I am now in my very attractive fleecy dressing gown, getting nice and cozy. It is Sunday night, so it is the end of our lovely week of annual leave, doing all the lovely Christmassy things. I'm really sad because I've had such a good week doing Christmassy things. We did this last year as well. We had a holiday at the beginning of December and we went to Germany and went to all the Christmas markets, and I just think it's really nice actually to have some time off at the beginning of December to get in the festive spirit. And yeah, sorry, I just realised I'm talking to you. The kettle is on behind me because I am cooking the dinner. I'm making, we've made a piri roast chicken and we've got some chips, and I was going to serve it with salad but it's really cold, so I'm actually just doing some like steamed vegetables because that's what I feel like. Got some sprouts and some broccoli, so it's a slightly weird mix, piri chicken with sprouts and broccoli, but yeah, just gonna make a cozy dinner. We've lit a fire, all the candles have been lit, Russell's watching the F1, I'm gonna catch up on Vlogmas and also do some work on my mitten, my fingerless mitten, because to be honest I think it's only going to take me, like, I'll do some tonight and probably some tomorrow and then it'll be done, and then my mittens just need to be blocked. Because I've thought multiple times like I needed them today because it was so cold walking the dog and then also trying to film at the tractor run with no gloves on, so I really need my fingerless mittens, so I want to get those done. I don't think I'll do any embroidery today. I did quite a lot yesterday, so I think I'll just do some knitting today. But yeah, probably won't speak to you guys again, so thanks so much for watching and I will see you guys tomorrow.